Thank you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. I'm Rich to help you decide what to love making next. Today I'm going to be taking a break from our Royal Planetarium build, which is over 14,000 Lego-sized pieces, to do these mini brick kit. I've got, and I'll put up a picture here, I've been doing these brick-style dresses. The first I did was Lego-sized, normal-sized bricks. I did 4 of those, and then these are actually mini bricks. Mini brick kits that I got I got 3 from Temu and I got 1 from Chow Brick. You can tell the ones from Temu because they didn't come in the regular box, and the box was quite smashed up, as you might be able to see this giant dent. But the one from Chow Brick, pristine condition, no problems. Beautiful. Then we're going to be making this dress with this kit. I think it's always important to follow directions, you know, whatever kit that you get. This one lets us know that we should sort the accessory bags by color and shape and place them in the box. Assemble according to instructions in the manual. The product does contain small parts though, so you should please swallow them carefully, it says. Now I'm pretty sure I can get most of this kit down tonight, but it's going to be challenging on some of the pieces, I have to admit, to try to swallow some of these bigger, sharper, square, rectangular ones. But I think I can do it if I put my heart, you know, really put some nose to grindstone, so to speak. Anyway, so definitely there's some things you have to watch out, some from things you get from Temu. Here's the instruction manual. It is a nice large manual. The colors look fine as far as their instruction goes. The one thing that is bad though is they are not numbered bags. So all this will have to be sorted out by hand to make sure find the pieces, which is, I got a nice big building space. It won't be too big a deal, but it's definitely not going to be as quick and easy as it could be if it was a number bag. Alright, well, I'll get this build on camera here for you, and then we'll give it a good review. Okay, we finally finished the Alice in Wonderland dress. It is a mini brick kit, so they were made from Lego style bricks, but they are definitely not Lego size bricks. I unfortunately have to give this kit a C+, because it did have a number of missing parts, and I'll show some pictures here too, but this should have been little pink pieces. There's a plate down here, really a 2 by 3 by 1 plate there that was missing. I was able to supply from some other stuff I had lying around. On the back side of the dress, these should have been 2 small pink pieces, but I did have leftover pieces, a lot of them, as you can see, so I was able to just replace those 2 small pink pieces with 2 pink bows, and it works fine, of course. The other thing that also adds to the grading, unfortunately, is the directions that tell you to that the product contains small parts to please swallow carefully. Right in there. So yeah, that unfortunately also drops the rating of it. Other than that, it was a very fun build. It's very technical. There's a lot of stuff going on inside there to make the structure. This is where I got that plate from, so I had to steal it from my mini Sherman tank. But he still looks alright. Yeah, but great build. Took me about probably 5 hours or so. It's well over 1,000 bricks for this kit, so it's not at all, you know, a tiny kit. The other one, full-size Lego dress I did, which is about the same size. I'll put a picture of those up as well. They were under 1,000. They only took me about an hour, maybe 2 hours most to put them together. So this one took quite a bit more because it has quite a bit more bricks. But it really is quite pretty, I think. Definitely, I unfortunately put this sticker on upside down. The stickers on there were actually rub-on decal type. So unfortunately, if you make a mistake, you can't go back. They're stuck where they are. But yeah, look at all these. I'll have some close-up pictures as well, but Look at all these details. There's just tons of detail on it. Got a nice big bow in back, and also this nice kind of suspender type piece going on in the back. You got the, I would have liked to see, they just use spades and clubs. I would have liked to see some hearts and maybe some diamonds. Not sure why they didn't include those, but they didn't. I think it's a really nice sticker detail there. You know, here on the bottom of the dress, it really just makes it just that much better. Let's see if I can lift this up. You can see the bottom edges of the dress too, so they didn't just do the front, they also did the underskirt area with some detailing. So, very fun. The arms do move a little bit. Not much. There's two pieces of these clear flower leaf pieces that are supposed to go inside there. I couldn't get them to go inside there and actually stay. I'm not sure how you would actually do that without actually sanding them down a little bit to make sure they had enough room to be there. So like I said, there's some shortcomings, but the brick style dresses are very new products. I've just, you know, I think Lego finally has one out there. Not at least it's similar. It's a smaller style, but otherwise I haven't seen anything from Lego that does the dresses at all. So I would call these a little bit of exploratory type of product, but of course you definitely want to make sure that if you're going to be distributing a product, that it has all its parts and that the instructions are safe to use, so you're not eating bricks, hopefully. On the bright side, most of the bricks are pretty small. You could probably get them down, but I wouldn't try it. Please don't try it. All right, well, thanks again for watching those reviews. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Please support us on Patreon for $3 a month. You get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 will help you decide what to love making next. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.